When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with WOWANGEL here. The first time I'm gonna be trying out a wig from them, so I'm really happy. This is the packaging. It says you deserve this beauty. So open the package. I see the wig, which we'll get into in a few. There are goodies in here. It looks really cute in here, by the way. I got a pair of lashes. That looks good. Edge brush and comb. This is giving Barbie vibes, by the way, like the whole pink theme. Oh, they sent this little bracelet. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. It's nice. And then before I get into that little goodie bag there, well, extra goodies. We got a elastic band, perfect for your edges to just keep it down and stuff. It's branded WOWANGEL, and you can wear it on either side, either black or pink. Really girly, you know, guys. You know I'm not big on pink, but yeah, this is really girly and cute. And saving the best for last, I got this little pamphlet here. And this really is just, you know, like an information card. You know how to carry your hair, and it has their social media and everything. On the inside, this is how the inside looks. So yeah, and then lastly, we have a goodie bag. So this is a goodie bag. They sent a beauty blender. This feels really soft. I got another pair of lashes. They're so generous. I got a pair of wig caps, and I got this elastic band if you need any more of that, and I got a little section clip here. So that's everything that came into the package. For today's wig, I got this gorgeous 26-inch straight lace front wig. All right, this looks super good. Okay, we're working with some inches. It's nice and soft and silky, and as you can see, it's a natural 1B color. The lace looks so good. Okay, this is a 13x6 lace front, by the way. Okay, top tier. And this is a great HD lace front. It's already so nicely pre-plucked. I'm super happy for this install. Like, this is so gorgeous. Like, you see that? It's nicely plucked. You don't have to go in and do anything. And it's a nice medium brown lace, by the way. Nice deep parting. It's gorgeous. The inside of the cap has a total of 4 combs, you know, for security. And then you have an extra band, you know, and there are adjustable straps in the back as well, which you can tighten or loosen to your preference, you know. So I'm just kind of securing mine in the back, which I always do this before I go ahead and slip it on. But yeah, the wigs, it looks so good. The movement is nice. It's really gorgeous. So yeah, now that I show you guys that, let me go ahead and get into installing this. Today I'm going to be doing a nice glue install. So let's go. Yep. WOWANGEL is bringing... By the way, I did a ball cap method. Yeah. They're bringing the heat. I love this. The lace is so thin and nice, like thin in a good way. Like you just know it's gonna melt down so nice. Look at how realistic the hairline looks. The hairline looks so good. Guys, I'm going out and I'm so excited because this is gonna be a nice, I'm gonna do a nice bust down center part with sleek straight hair. Ooh, I'm so happy. This look is too gorgeous. I love this. It's too gorgeous. Love, 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 love. Love, love. I'm going to cut away some of this extra lace so it's not resting on my eyes. Gosh. I can't tell when last I do a nice, you know, a nice straight wig look. There's no wavy and curly is my thing. I don't do that much straight looks, but when I do, I love when they are super sleek, okay? So I'm gonna cut around the ear portions here.
When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy.
I'm just lining up. Oh my gosh, that's just immaculate. Tell me that now look really nice. That is flawless. Love it. So I'm just gonna do the same thing on the next side. Now that I measure up everything, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on applying my glue. You guys know I'm gonna do it in halves. I'm gonna be using my ebony lace glue to do this. I'm just gonna kind of speed through this portion for you guys. And yeah, this glue does have like a blue like tint to it, but it does dry down after a while. It doesn't dry down clear like the fastest like the other glues, but it does dry down, you know.
I got your attention, spending a moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a top popping, pocket, swolla, 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 swolla. Swolla, 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 swolla. Swolla, swolla, swolla. When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending a moolah, moolah.
Guys, this lace is perfection. Love it. Love, 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 love. You really don't have to go in and do any edges if you don't want to. Like, you could totally just like rock it with a whole pullback vibe and stuff, and it will look great. Like, I just love this wig. It's laying so nice and flat. It's gorgeous. But I'm just gonna do like a light, very, when I say super light, a super light swoop. Super light swoop. I really don't want it to be like heavy at all. So this is optional, okay? And the wig was really easy to install, very easy to work with, no hassle at all. So as you can see, I just applied a little bit more glue to the very edge there to get it super melty, because a little piece was lifting there in the front. And so now just doing this will get it very, very nice and melted. And now we're gonna do a nice little bust down center part. This hair is so nice. The texture, it feels so much like butter. Okay, like so much like butter. I'm gonna take my time and I'll go through the sections and just make it like super flat so it lays down really nice and seamlessly.
I got your attention, spending a moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a top popping, pocket, swolla, 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 swolla. Swolla, 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 swolla.
You literally don't even have to straighten this. Like, it looks so good straight out of the packaging. Like, it looks so good, like super silky, super sleek, super straight. So you can just imagine, I don't even have to put in a lot of effort to, like, when I'm going to straighten it with my flat iron, like, just to get it, you know, I'm just being extra at this point. So what I'm gonna do is brighten the parting. Like, the entire time I'm installing this, I'm just really, really pleased with the quality that they presented. I highly recommend this. 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend. Okay. That's a wrap. That's how the hair looks. Super buttery. Like, the texture, you see how flat this is laying? It is so flat, flawless. This is a very flawless bust down install. Like, the lace, everything is top tier, like top tier. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications to this wig once more in my description box, as well as the direct link if you guys are looking for a really, it's also lightweight despite the length. Let me point that out. So if you're looking for, you know, a really, you know, flawless, top tier straight wig look, this is your wig. Okay, WOWANGEL is doing their thing, and I'm super pleased with the quality of today's wig. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. We went straight. Also, guys, I almost forgot to tell you that AliExpress, they're having their 13th anniversary sale. All right, and they're gonna have up to 80% off. Okay, $5 off every $30 that you spend, and this is gonna be from March 20th to March 26th. And yeah, you know, if I have any further like discount codes or anything, it will be in my description box. Yeah, so I hope you guys found this video informative. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Swalla, 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 swalla.